Good morning students. Welcome to e-learning class of science. Students, in last video we have read about acid, bases and salt. We will continue with the same chapter and in this video we will read about neutralization. So far we have learnt about the color changes of various indicators with acids and bases. Let us now see what happens if we mix an acid with a base. कि अगर हम एक acid और base को mix कर देते हैं, then what happened? Acids and bases when mixed in right amounts, they neutralize each other. वे एक दूसरे को neutralize कर देते हैं. Let us do an interesting activity to understand this. Take a test tube and add 10 ml dilute hydrochloric acid to it. We will take a test tube और उसमें हम 10 ml हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड डालेंगे. Observe its color. Now add 2 drops of phenolphthalein to it. 2 or 3 drops phenolphthalein की हम इस एसिड में ऐड करेंगे. Shake gently. Does the color of the solution change? No, color will not change as phenolphthalein remains colorless in acids. Now add a drop of sodium hydroxide solution with the help of a dropper. ड्रॉपर की हेल्प से हम सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को एक एक ड्रॉप करके उसमें मिक्स करेंगे. शेक जेंटली. डू यू सी अपीयरेंस ऑफ एनी कलर इन द सोल्यूशन? थोड़े टाइम बाद हम देखेंगे कि जो सोल्यूशन है उसका कलर पिंक हो जाता है, बिकॉज phenolphthalein show pink color with the base. Touch the test tube from the bottom. Does it feel warm? What do you understand from this activity? Means when dilute hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide are mixed in just right amounts, the acid and the base neutralize each other. Acid और base एक दूसरे के साथ mix होकर neutralize हो जाते हैं and the resulting liquid is neutral. This type of reaction is called neutralization reaction. Means a reaction in which an acid combines with the base to form salt and water is called a neutralization reactions. कि वो reaction कि जब acid और base को combine किया जाता है, mix किया जाता है, then they react with each other and form salt and water. This kind of reaction is known as neutralization reaction. The salts produced in a neutralization reaction may be acidic, basic or neutral depending upon the acids and bases used during a reactions. Yes students, now we will read, is neutralization of any use in our daily life? क्या neutralization reaction जो है क्या उसका हमारे daily life में कोई use है? Neutralization is very useful in our daily life. Let us study a few examples to understand this. First one here is given in the treatment of soil. Soil के treatment के लिए we used neutralization reactions. Farmers usually need to change the nature of soil so that their crops can grow well. कि they have to find out कि उनकी जो soil है वो acidic है या basic है. Certain plants do not grow well if the soil is acidic. कि अगर soil acidic है तो कुछ plants उसमें अच्छे से grow नहीं कर पाते हैं. Soil may get acidic due to acid rain or by the use of excessive fertilizers. Acid rain की वजह से या ज़्यादा fertilizers के use से soil जो है acidic हो जाती है. If the soil is too acidic, it is neutralized by adding a base like slaked lime, means calcium hydroxide, or quicklime, calcium oxide. On the other hand, if the soil is too basic, कि soil अगर basic है, it is treated by adding organic matter which releases acids. तब soil में organic matter mix किए जाते हैं जो acids release करते हैं and make the soil neutralize. Second, in the treatment of tooth decay, neutralization is also used in tooth decay. Tooth decay is caused due to an acid that is produced by bacteria present in our mouth. कि टूथ डिके जो है वो बैक्टीरिया की वजह से हमारे माउथ में प्रोड्यूस होता है. इफ़ वी डू नॉट क्लीन आवर टीथ प्रॉपरली द बिट्स ऑफ फूड रिमेन्स बिटवीन आवर टीथ. कि अगर हम अपने टीथ को अच्छे से साफ़ नहीं करते हैं तो फूड के जो बिट्स हैं वो हमारे टीथ में रह जाते हैं. सर्टन बैक्टीरिया लिव ऑन दीज बिट्स ऑफ फूड एंड प्रोड्यूस एसिड. तो देन सम बैक्टीरिया ग्रो ऑन these bits of food and they produce acid. This acid is the cause of tooth decay. यही acid हमारे tooth को ख़राब करता है. Toothpaste are basic in nature and neutralize the acid. Toothpaste जो होते हैं it contains base. Due to that they neutralize the acid. So we should clean our teeth time to time. And विच हेल्प इन प्रिवेंटिंग टूथ डिके. और यही टूथपेस्ट हमारे दांतों को डिके होने से बचाती हैं. नेक्स्ट ईयर इज़ गिवन इन ट्रीटिंग इंडाइजेशन. कि इंडाइजेशन में न्यूट्रलाइज हेल्प अस. हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इज प्रेजेंट इन आवर स्टमक. We have read in our second chapter कि stomach contains hydrochloric acid. This help in creating right condition to digest our food. कि food को digestion में help करता है. It also kill germs that might make us ill. If a person overeats कि अगर कोई ज़्यादा खाता है too much acid is produced in the stomach. तब stomach में ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा एसिड प्रोड्यूस्ड होता है. दिस कॉजेज इंडाइजेशन. टू न्यूट्रलाइज द एक्सेस एसिड फॉर्म इन द स्टमक एंटासिड लाइक मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया इज टेकन. द मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया विच इज अ बेस मीन्स मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड is taken. Generally it is in pink color medicine which is known as Daizine. Milk of magnesia contains a base called magnesium hydroxide और Daizine में magnesium hydroxide होती है which are available in the market in the form of a liquid mint syrup or in tablets. Neutralization reaction is also useful in treating an ant or a bee sting. The sting of an ant and a bee is acidic as it contains formic acid. Pain caused due to an ant sting or a bee sting can be neutralized by using bases like baking soda solution means sodium bicarbonate. In treating a wasp sting contains a base. So to neutralize this base we required an acid. For example, vinegar or lemon juice can be used. Last is here in treating factory waste. Some factory waste contains harmful acids. If these are allowed to flow directly into rivers or lakes, the acids may harm the aquatic plants and animals. So to save plants and animals, we have to treat factory waste with a base before releasing it into water. Okay student, thank you. Have a nice day. Your lesson is completed. Pause the video carefully.